Hey, it's Kelly out here at Kelly's RV on Highway 412 West in Paragould. Hey, we got this little hideout here I'm going to show you. This has got a little bit of hail damage on it, and we're going to knock over $5,000 off of it. Let's show you the damage. It's not on this side. This side's all good. It's only on the off door side. And I'm not even sure you can see it, but it's got a few little pings down it. It ain't bad, but there's hey, don't get too close. Hey, this got just a few dings on it, but you're going to save over $5,000 on this. It's got electric jack up front. It's got electric jacks underneath. It's got the good steps on it, the good solid steps. It's got a little small kitchen out here. It's got the fridge and a 2-burner stove. It's got the assist handle here coming in. We got the AC on in here. This is sitting here by the office plugged up. So you come by and take a look at it. Got the AC on, all the lights on. Hey, this is a rear kitchen, 28 RK, so it's a rear kitchen. All the rear kitchens usually get more counter space, so there's a lot of counter space in here. And so it's got a pull-out faucet here on the kitchen. This has also got a central vacuum, so it's coming to the hose. You hook up there and you go all throughout the trailer. Central vacuum system. Got a little bag in there, so that's pretty neat. Got the full fridge on it. Got the big fridge. These are all 12 volt nowadays, but that's on. We don't need it on. Got the microwave and everything's back here on it. So anyhow, it's a rear kitchen with lots of room. So if you like to cook more, just got a lot more room in it. Got the recliners in it, and they're not tied down. You can move them around wherever you want to on it. They do recline. Got a huge TV on it, and it did come out. So if you want to watch it either on the couch or over here, you can bring it over here and watch it over here. Watch it over there. Watch it everywhere. Got your sound bar and the radio in here. Got your fireplace down here. Over there. You can change colors on these. Got blue there and blue there, so you can change the lights. And it will put out heat. You can have it just for looks, or you can have it to put out some heat. This couch makes a bed. It's just a little flip couch. Got some kids want to sleep on it. Just got the full shades on it. And the dinette will make a bed also. It makes the bed real easy. Just folds down, put your cushions on top of it, and you got another bed. So like you got 2 people, elder people, you know, or whatever, got grandkids, or take your grandkids, let them sleep in here on the couch and dinette, and then you got your bed up there. You got phone chargers, USB phone chargers. You got your electric on, and this is all your switch panel. Hey, it's got a real nice shower in it. Got the glass doors. Got the lock on it for when you travel. So that's a 3-piece glass door. Got a lot of elbow room in here. A lot of them you get a shower, you're here and you got a curtain sticking to you. But here you got good room in here. Got your foot flush toilet. Get your bedroom over here. Hey, this got a little extra closet over here. It's got the hanging rod, because usually you just get these, but now you got this here extra closet, about doubles the size of the closet. Plus you get these drawers for your drawers. And then you got your hose for your vacuum cleaner and all that right there. So you got your storage here, half of it's outside, and that's all pretty typical. All the products got that. Got your plug-ins on both sides of the bed here. So anyhow, this is a brand new hideout. The little damage on it don't have anything to do with the warranty. Anything, you get full warranty. It's gonna be something like a scratch and dent. Good title. So it's like, I don't have the numbers in front of me, but I think it's like 35.5 or something. We're gonna do something like 29.5 on it, you know. Them numbers are real close on it, but anyhow, it's $5,700 we're taking off of it. And we're still going to throw in the hitch. It's $400. We're still gonna fill the gas bottles, the battery, and all that good stuff. No extra fees, no hidden fees. When you go in and sit down, there's no dock fees or nothing like that. So anyhow, it's a good deal on this. Come check it out. It's plugged up here by the office, kellysrv.com.